a step-by-step guide on how to install and assemble your compact bed rail from Vive Health. Don't worry if you're not much of a handyman. I'm not either. They make it as straightforward as possible to do. It's basically just popping pins into place. There are no tools involved, so that makes this awesome if you're trying to bring it to different destinations. You can easily disassemble it, put it in your suitcase, and then assemble it when you get to your spot. But just like that, we have now assembled the bed frame. We're putting the final clamps in, and now it is good to go. So we'll put it onto my bed. So they do give you a strap. You don't need to use a strap, but if you do want to use it, all you do is put the clamps together around the base of the product, and then you're going to run the strap through the support beam. It's tough to show underneath my bed, so I just did it for you in front of the camera. But basically, all you got to do is put the bed rail underneath your mattress, run the strap through, and connect it. So this is what it's going to look like when it's fully installed. This is a great product for anybody that's having issues getting in and out of bed. It's affordable, simple to use, and it works great for traveling because you can take it apart and put it together super fast.